Double chocolate s'mores cookie cups. These are a great Sunday baking idea. Cream together the butter and both sugars. Now add the eggs and mix until combined. Add flour, bicarb, mix until just comes together. Now add your black cocoa powder and normal cocoa powder. Add the chopped white chocolate and bring it all together. Roll them into 20-gram balls into each mini muffin cup. Press the centers in the middle and bake for 12 minutes. 2 minutes out of the oven, press those middles back into place. Pour in the melted dark chocolate to coat the inside of the cookie cup. Now, marshmallow time. This recipe is just gelatin powder, bloom with some water. Heat together your sugar and water until it reaches 118 Celsius. Pour into the bloomed gelatin and whip until stiff peaks form. Easy, right? Don't fear the marshmallow. Just do it. I believe in you. Mix in the 1 tablespoon cocoa powder to flavor that marshmallow. Pipe with a star nozzle into each cookie cup. They look so cute. I love how they're bite-sized. Now let's see that cross-section. If you want original s'mores, here is the recipe. Click on the next video.